नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? How are you, my dear kids? Hope you all are well. Are you doing all the works what the teachers are telling? Okay, my dear kids, are you watching all the videos? Please do watch the videos, my dear kids. Okay, don't skip any videos and do whatever the teachers are telling. Follow the instructions what they are telling and follow that and obey your teachers. Keep in touch with your teachers, my dear kids. If you have any doubt in Hindi, at any time you can call me. Okay, don't hesitate to call me. Like ma'am will think if we are calling this time means ma'am will think something like that. Never think like that. So, you can call me at any time. Okay, my dear kids. Keep in touch. If you are responding with me means only I have the feeling. I will get a positive energy to take class. So please keep in touch with us. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, today we are going to last class. We learned about karak, right? 4 types of karak. What is that? Sagnya, in the place of sagnya and sarvanam. For that the words that relations between the words, we are using some words that only karak. So if in a sentence 2 words relation, for relating one word to another word we are using the word karak. So karak is, how many types of karak is there? Karak के कितने फेद हैं? कारक के 8 फेद हैं, right? Karak is 8 types of karak is there, right? So first one we learned karta karak, then second karma karak, karan karak, sampradhan karak, then what else? Abadhan karak, sambandh karak, adhikaran karak and sambodh karak, right? Sambodhan karak. So first 4 karaks we learned on the last class. Karta karak means that karta karak chin, if it is coming ne means that if it is coming ne in the subject's place, it is karta karak, right? Kaam karne wala, those who is doing that work, that only karta karak. In that we will add that ne. Then karma karak, if we are giving importance for the work who is doing, that is karta karak. If we are giving importance for the work जिस पर काम का प्रभाव पड़े, those who when we are doing any work, that work will focus on somebody, that is karma karak. Okay, karma karak, that is ko chin sign, which sign is that ko. Then karan karak, जिसके द्वारा कर्ता काम करे, with the help of somebody, that person is doing the work. With the help of somebody, that person is doing work, that is karan karak. Se, dwara, that words and that symbols and all we will use in that. Then sampradhan karak, जिसके लिए क्रिया किया जाए, means for somebody else we are doing any work, means that is sampradhan karak. This much we learned on the last class. Next, 5th one, abadhan karak. Abadhan karak means जिससे अलगाव हो, from where we are separating that one. We are separating, that separation is there, that is abadhan karak. That जिससे अलगाव means separation. Where the separation is there, that is abadhan karak. Sign, that symbol of this abadhan karak, se, alag hona. Say, separating from there, like that. उदाहरण, example what? पेड़ से पत्ता गिरता है. Last line you see, my dear kids, पेड़ से पत्ता गिरता है means from tree the leaves are falling. So that leaves is separating from the tree, right? It is falling from the tree. So पेड़ से पत्ता गिरता है. पेड़ means tree, patta means leaves, girna means falling. So from, say means from the tree leaves are falling. So that separation is there, right? That leaves are falling from the tree. So that leaf and the leaves are separating from the tree. So that is abadhan karak. Then next one, sambandh karak. अन्य पदों से संबंध. संबंध means also relation. संबंध. संबंध कारक means अन्य पदों से संबंध. Next word with the next words relation. Okay, like chinka, ke, ki, that everything will come in this. That symbols of this संबंध कारक is का, के, की. Then उदाहरण, यह आम का पेड़ है. This is the is and we will say na is. यह आम का पेड़ है. This is a mango tree. So आम पेड़ means mango tree only, but we have to compare, we have to relate that mango and a tree. So for that we will use ka there. So that relation, for that relation we are using this sambandh karak. So yah means this, aam means mango, ped means tree, hai means is. So यह आम का पेड़ है. यह आम पेड़ है means this mango tree. So we have to tell something, we have to join this aam, mango and tree with something. So that is aam ka ped, we will say. That is only sambandha karak. Then next adhikaran karak. Kriya ka aadhar. Where this verb came from, where? That is only where is that verb? Verb where it is. That only adhikaran karak. Mem par, that is the signs. Mem means in, par means on. That is the symbols of adhikaran karak. Mem means in, par means on. See, मेज पर नाश्ता रखा है. नाश्ता means food, breakfast. नाश्ता रखा है. मेज means table. On the food is on the table. Where is that? That where food is on the table. Where that food was keeping? On the table. That is only what, where that verb is happening, where that verb is there, that only adhikaran karak. Then last one, sambodhan karak. Sambodhan means expressing. Okay, we have to express how to call, like that. And some kisi ko pukarna means calling, bolna saying. Pukarna means calling, bolna means saying. Somebody, calling somebody or telling somebody, or that only sambodhan karak. What are the symbols of sambodhan? Hey, are, like that. Hindi word hey, are, hey, we will say na hey, like that. That only hey, are, that is sambodhan karak. We are expressing, we are calling them. In example what, are, meri baat suno, hey, listen me, like that. Hey, what I am telling you, listen. Like that we will call na oi, hey, like that and all. So that is sambodhan karak. That is easy only, right? So we finished the karaks. That symbols and all, if we are learning also, it is easy only. What? Okay. So that symbols and that name of the karak and that symbol you by heart it. Okay, my dear kids, write and learn. So take page number 32 in your textbook. Take page number 32. See, ma'am forgot to write the date. Okay. Up of that you write today's date 10/11/2020 Mangalwar. Write on the up of it. Don't forget to write. I want everyone to, that date is must for me. Okay. Then only afterwards we will see, means also we can know that this one were taken by this day, like that. So write the date on the up of it. See the question what it is written. निम्न कारक भेदों का उनके चिन्हों से मिलान करें. See, we have to write the types of karak is there. Karta, karma, karan, sampradhan, abadhan, sambandh, adhikaran, sambodhan. Right, it is written. See, ma'am, how it is written. It is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. You write in that, okay. Or you can match by scale also. That also no, but it looks a little clumsy. So that only I am telling you to write the number, then it will be easy. So, ma'am has written something also in here, right? Something is there. Here what it is written, can you see? Grihakarya. Grihakarya means homework. Grihakarya means homework. This is easy only, no? What are the symbols of that types of karak? One or two I will do and give. Karta. What is karta? Karta, what will come? What is the symbol for karta? Can anyone say? What is the symbol for karta? Ne, right? Ne. This is only symbol. Then karma what it will come? Ko, right? So like this you should match it, or you can write like numbers also, like 1 here. Here you write 1, here 1. Your mobile complaint only. Okay, here 1 you write, here 2 you write, like that. Okay, like that you can write. So this one you have to do as homework. Okay, write there griha karya. Griha karya means homework. Okay, then down of it you see, दिए गए वाक्यों में प्रयुक्त कारक भेद को पहचाने और उचित विकल्प पर गोला बनाएं. See that dark words are there now. What is the which type of karak is there? You have to find out. Choose that. Options are there. You have to choose it. पिताजी की बहन का नाम सयानी था. की, where it is coming की, you can find out. It is easy only. पिताजी की. This also I have to give us homework. I forgot and I took snap by ticking the answers. Okay, then you find out the answers. पिताजी की बहन का नाम सयानी था. Well, key will come means what is that? Right, संबंध कारक, first one, right? Then आखिर डॉक्टरों ने कई प्रकार की परीक्षाओं के बाद राय दी कि बच्ची को पहाड़ पर ले जाया. That only that word you have to see. पर where it will come? पहाड़ पर will come in the adhikaran. So adhikaran, first one. Then Annu or Poovaji train, say that train, the dark letters only you see. Okay, in that which symbol it is given. Say where it will come. Say. Abadan karak, right? Then next also say. So abadan karak. Next you see Keliye, last one. So Sampradan karak. Okay, that much only about this karak and all. Students, my dear kids, this third lesson, did you notice how many pages there from 20th page to 29 page? That lesson is there. It's a very lengthy lesson. We need 10 classes for this, right? So I am skipping that lesson now and I took only the grammar from that. So if I am getting time, I will take that lesson. Okay, my dear kids. So we will go to the next lesson. Lesson 4, माँ कह एक कहानी. Here if you want also you can write today's date 10/11/2020 मंगलवार. माँ कह एक कहानी. माँ, mother, tell. कह means tell. एक कहानी, one story. Okay, माँ कह एक कहानी. कहानी means story. Okay, my dear kids, see whatever I am teaching today. After finishing the class, I will send you 5 one-word questions for you from the portions what I have taken today. So listen carefully from the beginning to end. And something I will ask, I will send the questions. You have to find out the answer and send it to me. Okay, my dear kids, so listen carefully. See here, what is happening means Siddhartha. See, Gautama Buddha was there, Gautam Buddha. His son was asking, his son's name is Rahul. He was asking to his mother to say one story and give. He was very stubborn, okay. He's very adamant like you people. So he is telling his mother to say and give one story. So that mother is trying to say some story. That is only this lesson. See, ma'am has written the date here. If you want, you can write on the up of the lesson. Okay, see, listen carefully. माँ कह एक कहानी. बेटा समझ लिया क्या तूने मुझको अपनी नानी. कहती है मुझसे यह चेटी, तू मेरी नानी की बेटी. कह माँ कह लेटी ही लेटी, राजा ताया रानी. माँ कह एक कहानी. तू है हटी मान दन मेरे, सुन उपवन में बड़े सवेरे. तात भ्रमण करते थे तेरे, जहाँ सुरफी मनमानी. जहाँ सुरफी मनमानी, हाँ माँ यह कहानी. See that inverted commas and all. Where one inverted comma is starting and ending, there one person will talk. Then next inverted comma, another person. So here only that Rahul and his mother is there. First one, माँ कह एक कहानी. माँ, please tell me a story and give like that he is telling. So that mother is telling, बेटा समझ लिया क्या तूने मुझको अपनी नानी? Why? What are you thinking that I am your grandma? See the students that you people and all will ask story to your grandma only first, right? So this mother is asking, what do you think about me? You are thinking that I am your grandmother. Nani means grandmother. Please, my dear kids, keep on pencil with you, and whatever the meanings I am telling, you write on it, okay? Yeah, my phone touch problem is there, so I can't write anything on top of it. You saw now, so please write the meaning on that. Nani means grandma. So she's asking whether you have thought that I am your grandma. Then he is telling, कहती है मुझसे एक चेटी, मैं तू मेरी नानी की बेटी. Then he is telling that my servant was telling that you are my nani, you are my grandma's daughter. He is simply kidding. Cheti means servant. S-E-R. See, I'm trying to write. If I can't, please you write, okay? Okay, Cheti means servant. S-E-R-V-A-N-T, servant. He is telling that my servant has told me that you are you are the daughter of my grandma. माँ कही एक कहानी. Please tell and give one story. Then no, I skipped only. Okay, कहती है मुझसे यह चेटी, तू मेरी नानी की बेटी. कह माँ कह लेटी ही लेटी, राजा ताया रानी. Please mother, you tell and give king or queen's story. He is begging to his mother that please tell and give king or queen any story you tell and give. Then she is telling, tu hai hatti. Hatti means very stubborn. Hatti means stubborn. Okay, Stubborn. Stubborn. You are very adamant and you are very stubborn. मान धन मेरे, you are my wealth. सुन उपवन में बड़े सवेरे. One day in the upavan means garden. One day morning, in one big morning, in the garden, तात भ्रमण करते थे. Your father was roaming. तात means father. Tat means father. Tat means father. So your father was roaming. Raman means roaming. Your father was roaming here and there. So what happened? Jahan Suryafi Manmani. Everywhere it was very fragrant. Suryafi means fragrance. So everywhere it was very fragrance there in the garden, because always everywhere it is flower in the garden and all flowers will be there. So everywhere it was fragrance. So that his father was roaming. Who is his father? Gautama Buddha, right? He was called as Siddhartha also. So his father was roaming in a garden. Jahan Suryafi Manmani, हाँ माँ यही कहानी. This is the story. Like that he is telling. And next, वर्ण वर्ण के फूल खिले थे. In the garden, she started saying, she continued saying like varna varna ke phool khile the. Different types of flowers were glowing there. Flowers were there. Chal malkar himabindu chilete. Chal malkar means that himabindu means snowdrops. That snowdrops were twinkling and glittering there. Snowdrops means small drops. It looks like stars tingling and right. So that time it was so many flowers were there and snowdrops were twinkling like star. Then halke chonge hill milete. Then light wind and all moving here and there. Lahara tata pani. Water also was waving. Water also moving. लहरा था पानी, हाँ यही कहानी. This is the story. Like that he is agreeing with his mother. She is telling that there are so many flowers were there. There snowdrops were twinkling and also light wind was moving and also water is waving here and there. The next para. Gaate te khag. Khag means bird. bird, bird. Khate te khag, who was singing? Bird was singing. Kal kal swar say, in which voice? In kal kal swar. Nice sound. Sahsa ek hans, upar se. Suddenly what happened? Suddenly one swan. Hans means swan. Hans, swan. Suddenly one swan came from up. Gira bid hokar kharshar se. Hui Pakshi ki Hani. What happened when his father was roaming on the garden? It was very fragrance, and there it was flowers were there, heavy light wind were there, then snowdrops were glittering. There suddenly what happened? One swan came from up by with what? It was wounded with a sharp arrow. It was wounded with a sharp arrow. Somebody have shooted him with the arrow, right? Somebody has shooted him with the arrow. Sahasa ek hans upar se gira bid. Bid means wounded. Bid, that number 3 it is written na, there you write bid, that word wounded, wounded. Bid hokar khar shar se. Khar shar means sharp arrow. Khar shar. Khar means sharp, shar means arrow. Hui Pakshi ki Hani. Oh, Pakshi became damaged because of that sharp arrow. Hui Pakshi ki Hani. Then he is asking, oh Pakshi, that bird got damaged. Karuna Bhari Kahani. It's a very pathetic story. Like that, he is becoming so sad by hearing that swan fell down by getting sharp arrows shot, right? So this boy felt so sad and oh, it's a very pathetic story. This much only, 5 more para is there that we will take on the next class. Okay, so this much only, that Siddhartha's son Rahul was telling his mother to say and give one story. So she is telling that your father was roaming on the garden. There suddenly one swan came from up. It was shot by a sharp arrow and it was wounded. So till this we have learned. So from this till this, like even including that karak, I will ask questions in the one word test. One word, not test, one word. You want to read the lesson. For that only, for improving your reading skill, we are conducting that one. So please do that, and please read the lesson. Please do carefully listen the videos and do whatever the teachers are telling. Okay my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.